let's talk about Amazon. It's the world's leading retailer, online retailer that is. It was founded by Jeff, it's Bezos, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's now also a major player in web hosting.
It has a market cap of $326 billion. It trades on a whopping P of 291 and pays no dividends.
And you're going to continue to swing on your chair throughout the show. I'm
Well,
going to give him, I said I was going to give him a hard time. No, you can swing, but not while you're reading the opening intro. No, I'm just giving you a hard time. Yeah, we haven't presented for a while together, and I said I was going to give him a hard time at the beginning of the show.
So you should. Yeah.
So let's talk about Amazon.
Yeah.
Is this one that you would be fully invested in at the moment?
Look, the share price tells us a lot. We'll see it. It's really pushing highs, great results, growing revenues almost 30%, which is good. Massive company. Just to put it into context, it's probably 5 times the size of Naspers, which is one of our biggest companies on the JSE. So really big.
That certainly sets the context.
It does. So what they do well is they are looking into the future better than most companies, and they're seeing what are the big mega trends coming, and they're trying to be in the forefront of that. And I mean, they do it well. We all know about the drones and the technology called Dash, where you push a button when your washing detergent runs out. I mean, that's fantastic. So they've got the scale. They're entrenched in the US, and I think there's a lot going for it. If anyone's going to succeed in online, I'd back Amazon.
Baron, this is one that Vestact loves.
Yes.
Tell me a little bit about the love affair.
These guys are such big forward thinkers. It's not just the online retail that's exciting, it's the content. They've got their own TV show studio.
Yeah.
So Amazon Prime members, I mean, if this was available in South Africa, I would 100% sign up. You pay like $10 a month. So you get on the day delivery if you're a Prime member, and you get access to all their content. So that's going to be music, video, and then the whole retail experience is getting better. They're going to start getting involved in groceries, maybe not quite yet fresh groceries, but stuff that can get delivered on the day. Toilet paper.
Isn't the key the first move
toiletries.
advantage that Amazon has in a lot of different elements in the online space?
Definitely, and that's why it's very hard to value the company on a PE ratio because they don't make any profits yet, because they're taking all that money they make and putting it back into the business.
So
and
there
it's
we
been
have
a
our
great
share
success
price
story.
graph, and you can't argue with that, can you?
No, I think Jeff Bezos now is top 10 richest man in the world.
And rightly so. And to Byron's point as well, what they do is they feed their ecosystem so well with the hardware that they sell. The Kindle, the Fire, the Echo, that type of thing. And they massively discount this hardware. So you buy it, and then it creates demand for books on the Kindle or whatever the case is. So they've been very clever, and they're going head on head with Google and Apple in that regard, and doing very well, quite frankly.
Are we going to call this one? Is there anything else to add? Glowing reports from the two of you. I would be very surprised if either of you put a not hot on this.
Yeah, I think this company is unstoppable, to be honest, and I think the sort of potential going forward in the whole retail world, like Devin mentioned earlier, we're seeing companies like JCPenney and Macy's really struggling, and it's not because the US retail is slowing down, it's because online is overtaking the sort of going to the shopping malls and the whole shopping process. It really is changing the whole dynamic of shopping.
So you are hot.
I'm definitely going to be hot on Amazon.
And Devin?
Hot for me.